Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is algebraic expression and the identities. So yesterday we have already started the exercise 9.2 and we have completed up to question number 3. So today we will start with question number 4. In question number 4, we have to find the volume of the rectangular boxes. Rectangular boxes means the 3-dimensional shapes, and that is also known as the cuboid, in which we are having the dimensions in the form of length, breadth and height. So the first part is there, and this is also given in the question. Find the volume of the rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. So in the first part, length of rectangular box, and breadth, rectangular box, then height of rectangular box. So length, breadth and height are given in the form 5a, length is 5a and the breadth is 3a square, and the height is 7a raised to power 4. So we have to find the volume. So volume of the rectangular box, volume of the rectangular box, that is in the form of cuboid, and the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and that will be 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to power 4. So we can write that, we will write the numbers first. 5 into 3 into 7 into a square into a 4. We have written like this. We will multiply the numbers, at the same time we will multiply the variables as well. So 5 3 are 15 and 15 7 are 105, and a, the powers of a, if no powers is there then 1 is there. So 1 plus 2 plus 4. When we are multiplying the variables, then we are supposed to add the powers. So that will be 105, a raised to power 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7 cubic units. In the previous question we have find out the area. The area is to be shown in square units and volume is to be mentioned in cubic units. So this was the way how to proceed such type of questions, in which the monomers are given as the length, breadth and height of the cuboid, and we have to find the volume. We can take one more part. The second part we will do the same thing. The length, breadth and height are different. So for part second, the length is 2p and breadth is 4q and the height is 8r. Again The same formula is there because we have to find the volume only of that rectangular box, that is the cuboid. Length into breadth into height, and length is 2p into 4q into 8r, that is 2 into 4 into 8 into p into q into r. So 2 4 ja 8, 8 8 ja 64 p q r, because we are having the different variables. So if we are having the different variables, then we cannot add the powers. We can add the powers when we are multiplying the same variables with the different powers or same powers. Here the different variables are there, p q r, so that we will write like this only. So the answer is 64 p q r cubic units. So like this you are supposed to proceed. Question number 4, in which 2 parts we have already completed here, 2 parts are remaining, which you are supposed to solve by yourself. So the next question, that is question number 5. In question number 5, we have to find the product and the first part is we have to find the product of 2p 4q and 8. No, that first part is not that. The monomers are different, that is xy, yz and zx. We are supposed to find the product of these 3 monomers, and now we will write 8 x y into y z into z x. So how many variables we are having? X, y, z. No powers are there, means powers are 1. So x 1 plus 1, y 1 plus 1 and z 1 plus 1. So we will write x square, y square and z square, or we can write x, y, z. All the variables are having the power 2, that is same. So whole power 2. We can write like this also. So 5 parts are there, so you are supposed to multiply. We can take one more part because in the second part the signs are different. Second part, in the second part the question is like that: a into minus a square into a cube. We are supposed to find the product, so we will write a into minus a square into a cube. So plus minus minus and minus plus minus, so here the sign will be minus a. So if no power is there, means 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the answer will be minus a raised to power 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, minus a raised to power 6 will be the answer of this part. So now the remaining part you are supposed to try by yourself. Now we are supposed to start the next exercise, that is 9.3. In exercise 9.3, the question number 1, in which we are supposed to again multiply. We have to multiply, one is the monomial and the second one is the binomial. So, question number 1 we have to multiply. In the previous questions we were multiplying the monomials, here one is the monomial and one is the binomial. So, in the first part 4p and q plus r. So, first one is the monomial having only one term, second one is the binomial having two terms. So, we are supposed to multiply. So, that will be like that 4p into q plus r. So, what we will do, first of all we will multiply with the first one, then what sign is there, then second one. So, 4p into q, 4p into q, then what is the sign there, plus, then 4p into r. We have to multiply with the first term, afterwards the sign, then the second term, that will be 4pq plus 4pr. So, this is the answer for part first. That question is different. Why? Because in the previous question we were having both the monomials, here we are having the monomial as well as binomial. So, now first of all you are supposed to repeat the questions what we have discussed today. Afterwards you are supposed to try the remaining parts. At the same time you can try the upcoming questions as well, and after completing the work you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can maintain the name of the students, the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. At the same time, if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in the exercises. Thank you very much.